Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of making Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Making a Smoothie with Avocado Andy. Today's smoothie is the A smoothie. So bring your A game and follow me. So the first thing that you would want in an A smoothie is an avocado. So pick the ripest avocado you have, or just hope the avocado you have is ripe. And oh man.
No, you messed it up already.
What?
You already messed it up. It's an A shake, not an A smoothie.
You're gonna be
First
in it.
of all, stop. You have to take these things out before you begin.
Robbie, I've already cut into the avocado.
So what? And
I
then
got a knife in
wait,
my
and
hand.
You have to
Stay
introduce
away.
it as the ABCD. Like we're making an A shake, but it's actually an ABCD shake because this is what we're going to be adding.
You're in the show now.
I'm just trying to help you start over, and you're going to take all these things out. Wait, where's the tablespoon that you're going to use?
Would you let me run my show?
You better not get shit in there. Say it's an ABCD shake, and then you... Okay, start over.
Hello, welcome to the first episode of Making a Smoothie, or shake, with Avocado Andy. That's me. Today, we're going to make an ABCD shake. What do you mean, no?